Hello, I'm Lainey White, and I will be teaching the library catalog instructional session to the 5th grade students at Pirtle Elementary School. They will learn how to use basic search in the library's online catalog, that's Destiny. Students will be able to search for books they are interested in using the library's catalog, and they will be able to locate books on the shelves using the call number. Good morning, class. You will all need to sit at a table and start your Chromebooks up. Just start them up and sign into the computer. Do not go any further. We will get to them in a few minutes. You may get them up to the window screen while I am going over the instructions. We are going to continue our cataloging, shelving lessons to help us locate books we want to read. As we have discussed in the previous lessons, knowing these skills will make it easier for you all to look up and locate the books you are interested in on the shelves. For the past few weeks, we have been talking about call numbers, where they are located on the books, how we can find them when we conduct a search, and how we can use them to find the books we are looking for. We have learned the 3 sections of the library. Can somebody tell me what they are? Yes. 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 Y'all are correct. We have the easy everybody levels, the nonfiction, and the fiction chapter books. We have learned the call numbers associated with the sections. Can someone tell me what they are? Yes. 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 For the easy everybody, it is E followed by the 3 letters of the author's name. For the nonfiction, their numbers are located first, followed by the first 3 letters of the author's last name. And for the fiction chapter books, they say FIC, followed by the 3 letters of the author's last name, first 3 letters of the author's last name. For our lesson today, we will conduct a basic search using the library's catalog. To begin, I will walk you through the first 5 steps showing pictures. During this part of the lesson, you will watch only. Next, we will conduct a search together. Then you will follow 3 prompts and complete 2 out of the 3 correctly. Finally, you will search for, find, and locate your 2 books to check out this week. This will be completed on your own Chromebook today. However, after today, you will conduct your searches on one of the 2 library computers or one of the 2 iPads. To begin with, you will click on Google Chrome and open a new window. In the address bar, you will type www.bisd.net into the address bar. Once this opens, you will click on the word staff located in the top right-hand corner. Once this page opens, you will scroll down to the letter D. The first entry under D is Destiny Library. You will click on this link. When the Welcome to the Belton ISD page opens, scroll down until you get to Pirtle Elementary. You will click on this link. Once the Pirtle Elementary page opens, you may click on either the catalog link in the blue area at the top or on the Click Here link highlighted in blue under the bookworm. The new page to open will be our search page. From this point on, I will be conducting the search from the actual web page. We will be doing 3 searches today, by title, by author, and by subject. We will only be conducting basic searches for this lesson. I will show you our limiters that will help you narrow your search results. The first search I will conduct will be for the title of a book. I will type in Nori Ryan's song. Before I click on the title, I am going to show you some items on this page that you may choose to use if you need to make sure you have a better chance of getting the results you are looking for. You can choose what school you would like to search using the location drop-down box. This will be more pertinent to you once you move to the middle and high schools. This will allow you to use the interlibrary loan when you're needing resources for research projects you will conduct through these schools. For our purposes, while you are attending here, you will also leave it on Pertl. The next drop-down box is material type. It is set to always check any type, and this will work for our purposes here. You can see all the choices there are to choose from. The reading level boxes can be used by you at any time. This will ensure you are finding books at your reading level and will help you make your reading more enjoyable. You would just type in the 2 grade levels you would like right here into these 2 boxes. The interest level drop-down boxes are based the same using your grade level. Reading programs is also a drop-down box. These are your choices. For most purposes, you will leave this at unlimited. Now that I have the title of the book typed into the box, I will click on the title box. Since we only have one title show up, we do not need to click on the sort by drop-down box. If we had several results, we could use this limiter to narrow our search. Here I can find the call number, the author, the reading level and interest level, published date, and the AR level and how many points it's worth. Also, if I look to the right-hand side, I see we have one copy in the library and it is also on the shelf. Now, to determine if you really want this book, you may click on the linked title of the book or the details box. This will show you the book information for locating it through our schools. Also, a short summary of what the story is about. You can also make yourself a list of the books you find and want to save to look at later. Finally, the bottom part of the page shows interests you can explore, quiz information, publication information, and additional information. You may also access this information from these links if for some reason the whole page does not show up. My second search will be for an author. I am going to type in Kenny and click on the author button. I see I have 19 results. As I scroll through the results, I see that the books say series on them. Most of these results are in the Diary of a Wimpy Kid series. However, I do have this one that is in the Celebration series. Once I get to the bottom of the page, I see that there are not any other pages for me to look at. Some result pages will have so many results that there will be a place here on the right hand side of the page at the bottom that will allow you to go on to another page. Always be sure to check for this, as you will want to see all that is available. Again, once you choose a book, you may click on the title or the details box and see more information about the book. We will not go through all that information again for this search, but please don't forget you can find more information on the books you are looking up. For my last search, I am going to search for a subject. Now, the reason you may want to do a subject search is because your teacher has assigned a research project for you, and you need to find information on that topic or subject. I'm going to choose the American Revolution. Wow, we got only 4 results. Since our list is so short, I'm going to want to click on the titles and look at the summaries of each one to see if any of them will help me. After looking over the summaries, I think I will get the books Black Heroes of the American Revolution and Love Thy Neighbor, the Tory Diary of Prudence Emerson. That is the end of our lesson. Does anyone have any questions at this time? No? Okay, but please remember, if you ever need any help or answers with searching, to please ask me. Now we're going to see how well you can conduct a search. You will be doing 3 searches and answering some questions of them. First, you will search for the book Refugee. Once you locate it, write down the call number for it. The second search will be for the author Stein. You will write down the name of one series by this author. Choose one book from the series and you will write the title and call number. And finally, you will search for pumpkins. Write down how many results you received. Go back and research pumpkins, but this time make your interest level for 4th through 5th grade. Write down how many results you get. Pick one book and write down the title, author, and call number. I will hand out notebook paper to each of you, and you will put your name on it. Once you have conducted the 3 searches and recorded your answers, turn the paper into the red basket on the circulation desk. Then you may search for your 2 books to check out. Thank you for paying attention, and good hunting.